There is this video going on viral on the internet, and you see this Fulani herdsmen coming down from a VIP bus.
They are already asking for citizenship here. But you see, Fulas, if you give them the privilege just to stay in this portion, and God will punish you if you take anything from them. Anything they give you as an offer, like dash something, they dash you something, be it a cow, be it money, don't collect it. As a king on any place in Ghana, you see, if you like, let this thing trend so that other people will be aware. Because you see, why a lot of us are into a lot of trouble today, because they were not aware. You see, this information I'm passing to you as a victim of this Fulas. If you like, listen. If you like, share. If you like, no share. But I'm telling you, if you as a Ghanaian, if you people want this peace in Ghana to continue, don't give these people opportunity. The suffering we Nigerians are going through today was at the expense of the Hausas being manipulated by these people with religion. They manipulate them with religion, and they gaslighted them, they deceive them, and they allow them to become one with them. That is where they give themselves Hausa Fulani. There's nothing like Hausa Fulani in Nigeria, I'm telling you. It's only Hausa, and the Fulas are the Fulas. I am telling you the honest truth.
Ghanaians panic for the fear of Fulanis taking over their country, motherland Ghana. Guys, Fulanis are currently taking over Ghana, and this is really, really disturbing.
So I need you to pay attention to what Nana's script is saying in this video, and I'm going to make a tree version after this video. So please pay attention.
There is this video going on viral on the internet, and you see this Fulani herdsmen coming down from a VIP bus. With due respect to the Interior Minister, please, sir, we don't want any cases whereby our churches will be invaded by armed men unaliving people like we are seeing in Nigeria. What is going on right now in Nigeria can happen to Ghana, and then we know how Nigerians love to come to Ghana. So please, sir, you people should do something quick about that. Let's involve national security, involve everybody on board. Let's look for a way we can protect our borders so that we don't end up bringing these people into our country. Please, sir. It's quite unfortunate. There will be a lot of pressure on you from social media handles and our platforms. So, sir, please, with all due respect, we are begging you. We know Ghana is hard, but we like the peace we are enjoying. Please, what is happening in Nigeria, we don't want it to happen here. So please talk to the VIP buses, the buses that go to Nigeria and bring people here. Talk to them very well, sir. Talk to them for us, because we cannot afford. You understand? The peace we are enjoying here is very, 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 very expensive. Immediately we allow people like this into the country, it's going to cause a lot for us. So, Honorable Muntaka, with all due respect, the gentleman of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, please, sir, please, with all due respect, Munye be fire borders no more. And Uncle Omo be go my way mupe. We ain't to mean PBO already share the Igbo for
video we see this side and make sure watch share video. What I say, moko na script a page so I mo make sure some be share video. Very important. Say a boy and homebody as Ghana for social media. Yen share video, yen share and like it. Now, utie asama Nana say kan obi gine cho be fi se bia umpen kofo asem da bi enyesa momu bi bebre me hu se munnim de ekoso sisi a wo hwe Nigeria ensama anyoma ekoso wo Nigeria no the sometimes mumu bi mu begina line no na mo kasa na mo kasa obi ambra wonti ase wo good intention but say unnim de ekoso a enka won kasa omumbie border na obi ambra abra wo weak internal security Ghana for minimum na kasa mo make sure say video we mo be share at least some more monte bro for no twi we mo be te ase moko Sahara reporters are they be almost every minute sa bandit for you Fulani bandit for you omu kunipa omu kidnapping nipa and I hope some nyina mo problem na cause for Nigeria na nya Nigeria fault o sa nkofo no mu fi baby na baaye na nkofo fi baby ba na so omu cause problems na so one solve it na so ugina obeka sa one Africa Dachi bi me na wo be na ekọ. Omo mbeba no, omo na omo bebre. Te say the sisi Nigeria for ebre na ye kunkum omo no. Ena mehu se mumu bi videos na ya ye hye no. Mu hu bi. Se mu hu bi a anka mo kasa mo bedwe ne ho. TMS ko historic. Edin we na hu no wo TikTok no. Me de sa din we wo e friend say Telegram. Mon search me. Mon search sa din we wo Telegram. Some me account din we mon search e wo Telegram. Na me send mo videos bi because video ni bebre na nkasa no. Ye the two TikTok ha e be block it. Wo hwe de kwabrane eye. Hwe, mo me hwe bibiye o. Ena na say minister we na on ne kasa no e nkrofo a. Acha say nkrofo a. Ye nkasa mo obi amba o, but when na eba. O ba be ye den. Ede butae na si woni so a wo de ba kro no mu. Ena munim se sa ye atamfo no mu use sa nkofo we. Ena de ye adwuma no. Nti wo ye Ghana ni na sa wo tie mi a. Make sure so be share sa video we. Make sure so be ma wo voice eduru echi. Make sure say so mo call demonstration wo de wo hu begim because one for one jima Ghana e better than it is Nigeria. Say ya na see ye. Say ya na see ye. So man hwe ya Ghana e better than it is Nigeria. E bia by that time na me na wo ye kọ wo ba anasa wo nana bi e na e ba bebre. Ebra ye bre sisia no. E yo mo a omo bitre nkroma. E na omo a omo ntie de nkroma be epese eye. Na omo de omo selfish gain. E di two ni fear de so no. Sa omo di 80, 75 omo nti na ye bre no. Se ye ba betena ho na ye say the same mistake. Ye kasa nkofo xenophobia. Uti se na say kasa, uti woni voice mu say ni ye mu hihye no. And this is where your patriotism has to come in. Inti mesramo enye fedi agro. After video we me ba be post another video. Nigeria ekura nkofo bebre obia fikro no mu because Fulani for no bandit no. Omo tete omo obia fikro no mu. Omo fikro no mu na he na omo kọ. Na ufi se omo begina na omo adwempa. Ema yekro no. Hwe Ghana na e wo no nkofo bebre envy Ghana. Omo yemu anka Ghana adane te se de ekoso wo Nigeria. Munnim a menka nkyere mu. This is the time I say more careful. What I say, me see me yi meni makasa because me who the course wo Congo, me who the course wo Sudan ni South Sudan, me who the course wo Nigeria, me who the course wo Cameroon. Enti na me o call me video mo a me ye video fa bibia ekro bia ho. Se na be ya me hu sa bibi sa e ba me kro mo a me ye careful na me ne me nkofo akasa. Enyo time. Ghana for o mo yen hwe bibi na yem boy kro no ho ban. Asomdue wo yesin bibia wetie video we ba be si ha make sure so be share video no ma wo busuafo no mu ntie nsema America na ye ntie de mo so mo woka e wo comment section no mo because baby aduru no emu aye time me de be si he ya wa share si ha make sure so be like video because we like video na e ma mo send video no koma especially mo titwi ni Ghana for na mo interact e wo comment section ho. This is the time I Ghana here. This is the time I am sorry. E ma mo ntina ho ankasa nyina ya Africa for. Me send you video sir. Un kasa nyina ya Africa for. Unhu Africa ni a odi e friend say gas e bo. Omo acheche nkofo e di bo mu tirima moja e tu omo peli.
I don't see the reason why you leave your country, but wait a minute. Where are they even from? Where are the Fulanis from? I want to know. Don't you guys have a country that you guys can go and build your country? Maybe you take your cattle and whatever to your... Don't you guys have grasses in your... I don't know. I don't understand. All I'm concerned, Fulani people, you are not from Nigeria and you are not from Ghana. So where is your country? I want to know. Because I've been wondering, like, why? Why are you coming to other people's country, disturbing their peace? Why? What's the meaning of this? Someone cannot live in his country peacefully. Someone cannot live in his country peacefully. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is that it? Well, if we check what is happening in Nigeria, the genesis of it all are the Fulanis. Because all this things started from the northern part of Nigeria. I'm not saying they are the ones behind all the crimes though. But if you check very well, you carry your telescope and check very well. Now then be the first problem. Now then start everything for Nigeria. So now, I see the reason why Ghanaians should panic. Because you and I are seeing the chaos the Fulani caused in Nigeria. You are seeing for yourself. Now we are in fear. We cannot sleep with our eyes closed. I mean, our two eyes closed anymore. I just hope these people will allow us, may we have our peace for Ghana. Oh. As we run, leave Nigeria, come Ghana, make we have peace, I beg. So, hey, carry una wahala, go back to your country. I'm not even saying go back to Nigeria because you are not from Nigeria. You are not from Nigeria. You guys have your country. I don't know which country you guys are from, but for all I'm concerned, when I get una country and you know where you're from. So now that you've spoiled Nigeria, and your economy, because I know some of you are from Niger, your economy is becoming better in Niger. You want to spoil Nigeria so that you go carry yourself, go back to your country that is made, Abi? Okay. The God that we are serving is not going to let this happen. Anybody that try to make somebody cry or somebody live uncomfortably, he will never live in peace. I hope you guys are aware of it. Anything that you do today will affect you tomorrow. If it not affect you, it will affect your children. I mean, your generation entirely. This is very, very annoying, guys. The next video we're about to check is of a lady. Yes, this lady is an Igbo lady, and she is telling us who really are the problems of Nigeria. According to her, she said the Fulanis are the problems, not the Igbos. Yeah, she's telling you Ghanaians that the Igbos are not your problems, but the Fulani people are the problems. Yeah, they are the people you should worry about, not the Igbos, because their Igbo people are not what you guys think they are. That's what this lady said, guys. Let's jump into it. And at the end of it, I'd love you to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
You see this very comment you are seeing here. Someone made this comment on my post and said that they are already asking for citizenship here. And this reminded me of a lady that I came across her post on this TikTok who was saying that the only place this Fula does not give trouble or doesn't make troubles or doesn't worry people are only in GH in Ghana here. And one thing that girl didn't know that it is because the GH government and GH citizens entirely did not allow these people to be among them. They have been living with them for ages, but they are not guaranteed, they are not allowed to obtain citizenship card. That is why they are cool. They have not had the right to begin to execute their plans too. In fact, as a matter of fact, I was speaking to one Dagomba man in Ghana here. He's my friend, he's a Muslim. He told me that some of their tribes does not allow intermarriage with them, that they can marry them, even though they are Muslim, but they don't marry them. It's against their tradition. And that was when I realized that this is why these people had peace. And I've been saying it even before now. I've been making a lot of posts telling Ghanaians that the best thing you should do for yourself, for your citizen, for your generation. I remember saying it in one of the videos when I was saying Igbos are not your problem, that the people you should be scared of are these people. Because we don't have mind to come and dominate anybody, to come and take anybody's land. But you see, Fulas, if you give them the privilege just to stay in this portion, and God will punish you if you take anything from them. Anything they give you as an offer, like dash something, they dash you something, be it a cow, be it money, don't collect it. As a king on any place in Ghana, you see, if you like, let this thing trend so that other people will be aware. Because you see, why a lot of us are into a lot of trouble today, because they were not aware. You see, this information I'm passing to you as a victim of this Fulas. If you like, listen. If you like, share. If you like, no share. But I'm telling you, if you as a Ghanaian, if you people want this peace in Ghana to continue, don't give these people opportunity. The suffering we Nigerians are going through today was at the expense of the Hausas being manipulated by these people with religion. They manipulate them with religion and they gaslighted them, they deceived them, and they allowed them to become one with them. That is where they gave themselves Hausa Fulani. There's nothing like Hausa Fulani in Nigeria, I'm telling you. It's only Hausa, and the Fulas are the Fulas. I am telling you the honest truth. So if you people want to maintain this peace in Ghana, never. The only reason why they are not reacting, the only reason why they are not misbehaving is because they don't have equal rights with you people as Ghanaians. If any day you mistakenly give them this privilege, Ghana is gone. You see, the one that is happening in Nigeria is going to be little than the one they are going to do here. Because if you give them the privilege to obtain the citizenship or to become part of you people, before you know it, other people from other places will start coming. Immediately Nigeria did it, that was how they became this tool. They became everywhere in Nigeria. Everywhere they keep multiplying, because Nigerian people was deceived by them, the Hausa was deceived by them, and immediately they give them the right to become part of them as a citizen. They begin to troop in into Nigeria. That is how they did it. So if you are a patriotic Ghanaian citizen, if you come across this video, share that other may know. Spread it. If you are having community meeting, talk to your chiefs, your anybody that you know that it has power in the community. Let them know. Disassociate. Give them the privilege to live like any other person. As a foreigner, we all are. But don't give them the privilege to be part of you. Even if they have been living here ages with you. I am telling you. See, the level of peace in Ghana is to this level that most of the times I do leave my door and go to school, like without locking it. As of 3 days ago, I didn't even know that I didn't lock my door, and I said this was in the month that I realized that I didn't lock my door, and nothing happened. In Nigeria, they know boy you well, make you try in any place, in fact, as a son, in any place across Nigeria, because of this flash. They do a lot of horrible things, and the only reason why they have the privilege to be misbehaving like this because Nigeria made a mistake by accepting them to become part of us, by giving them the privilege, especially the outside people where they deceive, because the outside people now have been enslaved under these people. In time of history to today, if as it stands now, no original man is the governor in the whole northern states in Nigeria, in their own land. That was the biggest mistake we made. That was the biggest mistake the Hausas made. And if there is no taking, that is what the previous post I made, I was telling you how the king of Yoruba land is saying. That is exactly what the mistake Yorubas are likely to make now. If you ever give them privilege to be part of whatever you're doing, they will dominate you. Because they hurt people, they fight people, they don't have human feeling, they don't care, they don't have remorse. So if you guys want to maintain the peace in Ghana, like this peace I've enjoyed for over 3 years schooling here, guys, don't ever give them the privilege. Because as I was discussing with my friend 2-3 days ago, he was saying that the wife of Obawomia was saying that this government promised them that after he wins, he's going to give them privilege to become part of them. Ghana government, I'm shouting on top of my voice, no try if you want this peace to retain, no try Abraham Lincoln said that the best experience to learn is to learn from other people's experience. Don't allow history to repeat itself before you can learn. What we Nigerians are facing was the mistake our forefathers made. Don't repeat it. Learn from us.